What's up guys, Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below in case you guys haven't liked this type of content. Now today's video we have a grilled chicken sandwich, we have a Big Mac, we have 10-piece nuggets, and we have 2 cheeseburgers. Now I'm probably not going to be able to eat all of this, but it is kind of late at night and I had a hankering for it. I swear if I'm not becoming more like Nikocado Avocado every day, I don't know what's going on. So where do I start first? Ooh, I think I want to start with this Big Mac. Start with this nice Big Mac that we got from McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. It's good. The Big Mac sauce is really good. Really, really good. I know what some of you guys are thinking. Why is there no fries? I actually don't like French fries. I know, it's weird, but I don't. Try to buy this chicken sandwich. It's a nice grilled chicken sandwich. You guys can see like the grease on the top of the bun because it's so reflective. So shiny. I didn't grab any napkins. I completely forgot. I don't think they gave me any in the bag. Not a one. Not a single one in the bag. No, my sandwich is falling. I like the Big Mac much better than I do the chicken sandwich. Which is weird because normally I like me a good chicken sandwich. Maybe it's because that one's crispy and not like grilled. Do you guys see where they've got like bigger Big Macs now where there's like 4 patties on a Big Mac? That's like, whoa. That's a lot. hand me a napkin, please? That's fine. Dad interrupts all the time. Thanks for trying to be courteous, though. That's much appreciated. I'm not on my sandwich. I don't know if it's just I'm not feeling the chicken sandwich tonight or what, but it's not that good. It's just not that good. It's just not. That is the loudest damn thing right now.
No, I'm trying to be.
Cheeseburger. Just a regular cheeseburger. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, the burgers are tasting a lot better than the chicken sandwiches. The chicken nuggets taste okay though. Chicken nuggets taste good. I'm gonna try to start doing better mukbangs for you guys. Hopefully you guys will start to enjoy them more. Not saying that you guys don't already enjoy them, because it seems like you do. Whew. Man, I am getting full. Well, you guys got to think. I ate an entire Big Mac. I ate another sandwich. I've eaten almost 10 chicken nuggets. I've eaten half of... Oh, excuse me. I've eaten half of this. Whew. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Do you guys like talking during mukbangs, or do you guys just like watching me eat? That's one thing that I've always never really understood, because there's some mukbang people that I like watching who don't talk at all, and then there are mukbang people that I watch that talk like throughout the whole video. So I'm just kind of curious which type of videos you guys like, because I can push out more content like that if you guys just let me know what kind you guys like that. So I think we're done. I think I'm full. I don't think I can eat another bite even if I could try. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys happen to like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below. Hit that bell notification, turn on notifications so you guys never miss a future upload or video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys, a little burp, in the next video. Bye-bye!